Alright you guys, so today's tutorial we are just going to jump right in. I got this wig from Celia Hair Company and this wig was 80 something dollars. No, this video is not sponsored, but let me just say y'all came with the goodies. I have never bought a wig and it came with this many goodies. So good job y'all, A+ on that. Alright you guys, so what you want to do first is you want to part your wig straight down the middle, and you are going to part a little section by the part on each side of the part, and just very little and thin pieces. Now you can do however much you want, but I just want a little bit of this color, not too much. And what I'm doing right here is I'm taking my spray bottle and I'm just going to comb the rest of my hair back so it can stay, because you do not want bleach going on this part of the hair because it's going to get all bleachy and you're going to be losing your black hair color, and we want to keep that. So definitely get that excess hair out of the way. And we have some bleach here, 40 volume developer, and my BW2 powder. And you're gonna mix that together into this like smooth and you are going to go ahead and put that on your little section, and just try your hardest not to get it on the rest of the hair once again. And yeah. Alright you guys, so y'all seen me dye some hair before. As you can see, we're using our comb to comb through that bleach because we want to get it on every strand. And once you're done, wrap it up in aluminum foil and let this bleach sit on your hair for approximately 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, this is what we got, okay? Alright you guys, so the two colors that I am using today is my Crimson and my Raspberry Twist. Adore is my favorite brand of hair dye. Okay you guys, and since we are doing an ombre, make sure your hair dye is in 2 different bowls. And I am just starting with my Crimson hair dye. I'm going to put that at the top, and we are not going all the way down. And try not to get this on your lace. Girl, I messed up and I got it on my lace, but please, if you can, please avoid getting this on your lace. Alright you guys, so as you can see right here, we did not take the red all the way down. Alright you guys, so now with that Raspberry Twist color, we are going to finish the rest. And you are actually going to take this Raspberry Twist color a little bit up into the Crimson too. That way it can have that ombre effect. Alright you guys, so now for the fun part, we are going to install this wig. As you all may know, I am still trying to perfect this part, okay? But what I'm doing here is I am clamping my comb from the back of this wig to the back of my braids. And I am going to just line my wig up. Okay, right here is where I took some of my contour and I am going to put that on my lace, and right here I am putting it on that stain. As you can see, I got that from Slay by Jordan. He said when you get dye on your lace, make sure you use a darker like foundation or contour powder. And I use contour powder on my lace because I know I'm putting makeup on anyways, and it's gonna blend in really nice. So right here is where I am putting my slits in my lace. That way I can pull them up in sections instead of, you know, pulling it all up in one section and one side, you know, messed up and all that. So definitely do it in sections, okay? Right here, now we just put more contour powder on so everything can blend in nicely. And if you can, put some on your stocking cap as well. I did not do that, and you will be able to see it, okay? I also want to add that instead of using a beige stocking cap, I actually like to use the brown one. Alright you guys, so it's a few ways or a few products that you could use to tack down a wig. This is got to be spray that I'm using on this big screen, and on the smaller screen I am using a got to be glue. So choose whichever one that you like to choose. The got to be spray is for temporary use only, and got to be gel, it'll probably last you for a good week maybe. So yeah. Okay, so this part is pretty self-explanatory. We are just taking our tabs and we are going to pull it over and pretty much just secure our wig this way. Alright, feel free to take your got to be spray and spray it on the outside as well for more security. So once I have done that for extra security, we are going to take our headband and we are going to tie it around our lace, and we are going to sit under a hood dryer. I'm sitting up under a hood dryer because I don't feel like using the hand dryer, okay? So we're just going to do that. Alright you guys, so with my eyebrow razor, I am going to cut as close as I can to my hairline with my eyebrow razor because I don't want a lot of excess hair lace because it doesn't look good, okay? So that is what I'm doing right here. Alright you guys, so once I have did that, I'm just taking my contour powder again and I am going to go over my hairline and cover up that white little glaze. I think it was really from my stocking cap. So yeah, I'm just going to cover that up with my contour powder. So with this wig, I did do a side part, but right here, I'm just going to show you guys how I define that part a little more. So right here, I am parting it down the middle, and I'm taking my hair wax, and I'm going to put it on my hair like this. And we are going to take my nicely new hot comb, and I'm just gonna go over a few times. So for some odd reason, I could not get this part of my hair to lay down because I don't know why. It's just lumpier than the other side. So what I did was I went in sections, as you can see right here. And I also did pluck it a little bit. And we are plucking our part too, so you know it can be more defined, and putting a little concealer in the part as well. Alright, so right here is where I took out my edges, and what I did was I tweezed my edges and then I cut them and swooped them. But you guys, I'm still learning how to do my edges on this wig, so I did not record that part. And like I said, I did switch my part over to a side part instead. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. I should have got that on camera too, but I didn't. And you guys, that is the end of this tutorial. This red got me feeling good, girl. And you know what they say about girls that rock red, okay? But you guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see y'all again. I can't wait to drop another video. Please bear with me. I got a lot going on right now, but I promise you, I am going to keep them coming, period. It's a new year. I hope you guys get everything you want this year, and I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye.